Do you really think? Do you really think by keeping the secret from your husband or your wife, you think that is the only way to make the relationship further? You think that is the only way to get to marry? Think about it. If that man or that woman find out that you are keeping secret from him or her, do you think he will break up with you? Do you think he will love you? Do you think he will despise you? Do you think the marriage will go further or not? All you need to do is to do what is right. There are more chances in that. Doing what is right, there are more chances than your husband or your boyfriend or your wife or your girlfriend find out things you have done in past from someone else. That is a big disaster. That's a big embarrassment. Do you ever think how that woman is going to take it lightly with you? Do you ever think if that man or that boy is going to take it lightly with you? No one at all wants to be tricked or to be deceived. Someone you love, you care, you cherish, he kept secret from you. Secret is secret. We all have secrets, you understand? I'm talking about something that you know that you don't supposed to hide it from your husband. I think there are something you need to let your husband to understand or your wife to understand. Than these things that you did in past or what happened. Is it true? It's not true? Or people do lie, people do gossip, people are just talk, whether good or bad. That rumors is flowing. Do you ever think if you hear it from someone else, it will be better for you? Or you think by telling him or her, you have more chance? Believe me, that is the truth. Because any man that is not real, that is not a man, any woman that is not a woman, cannot handle the truth. The truth hurts so bad, but anybody that have the courage, that have the mind to handle the truth, believe me, it will be very, very grateful to you as time goes on. It will be happy that you tell him or her the truth, than hearing it from someone else. It's like you don't regard him, you don't respect her, you don't cherish her. It will feel down, it will feel embarrassed, it will feel so disappointed in you. Because relationship, really truthful relationship is based on truth. Any relationship that is lies, it will not end well. It's a matter of time. Even though when you are telling the truth, you are doing what is right, there is always problem here and there. So what makes you think that by keeping something, that is the only way that can make the relationship to go further? You need to try your luck. I think it heals so when you are okay, like you don't have anything in mind, any secret in mind, any cockroach in your cupboard. You are not afraid of anything like clear conscience, fear no accusation, nothing. You understand? And I use this medium to beg men and women out there. If your woman tell you something of her past, don't use it to mock that woman. Please, think about it. What, for example, the woman could not even let you to know? What will you do? You see that he respects you and he treasures, he cherishes you, he loves you so much. That is why he tell you before you hear it from someone else. I think that will be enough to embrace the woman, to love her more. Likewise with the man. So, will you be happy if someone trick you, deceive you? Will you? Will you? No. She don't like it. Nobody wants it. Nobody does. You understand? It's only a deceiver that want people to be deceiving him or her. Because you know that you deceive people. When someone is doing something to you, you know that person is lying. But you flow along because you know that you are deceiving that person too. If that person is deceiving you, you don't worry about that. It's only a liar, a deceiver that can cope with something like that. When you are a truthful somebody, you are not a liar, not a deceiver. You will be very happy when someone is honest to you. Yes. You will be very happy. I don't want to agree. Also, understand me now. Why temata? Only mariho. I am your man or ma, no funa. I want temata ma say it's good you say the truth. No relationship or marriage is perfect. I think you have more chance than if the man provoke or the woman provoke, very angry, and he don't want the relationship anymore. I think when he's saying it to his mom and his dad or his friends, they will ask him or her, did you hear it from someone else, or the woman or the man? Is the man that told you, or the woman that told you? They say it's the man that told you, told that it's the woman that told him. They will say to you, go and apologize, settle with him or her, because he really loves you, likes you. You need to change the man. You need to caution the man. You need to advise the man. You need to put the woman through. You need to put the man through. He need help. He loves you. He don't want to make the same mistake. That is why he just told you the truth. So that if there's any other way for you to support her, to assist him or her, so that he cannot repeat those mistakes again. The mistake again. You see that you have more chance in that. And believe me, truth, he heals so. It's only liars, deceiver, that don't like truth, because they do the same thing to people. Yeah. They do the same thing to people. They like deceiving people. They like people that they can deceive. If someone is deceiving, then they know they are deceiving the same person. So it don't hurt them so much. They don't feel bad. If that person is keeping secret and the other one know that is telling you the truth, some of them, they don't want to say anything. They will keep it. You say, you want to say the truth, but you are keeping something from your woman or your man. If that woman or that man hear it from someone else, do you think he will cope with you? He will say, I've told you everything. I trusted you. I open up to you. I regard you. I respect you. I tell you every details of his or her life. He or she never knew that you are keeping this thing for her, for him. What do you take him for? What do you take her for? A fool? No. He or she's not a fool. She just loves you. He care about you. In fact, relationship need to base in love, in truthful, in honesty, in sincerity. That is why he's honest to you, he's sincere with you. How can you deceive him like that? How can you deceive her like that? You see, it will not be happy. I think it will be good for you as he's telling you the truth. If you have anything you kept in your mind too, you are hiding, you use the opportunity to let her know too. You understand? Some people destroy their marriage and relationship by themselves. They think by keeping stuff secret. Of course, we all have secret. There are certain things, that you can keep. You understand me? But something that that the rumors is flowing, that you did it, and you get so lucky to fall into this relationship. Don't make the same mistake again. You just have to open up to the man or the woman so that they can help you, can put you through. But they mean one tree, and two trees better than a one tree. One tree can never make a forest. When you have a partner like that, it's very easy, and you humble yourself, you learn, you make sure those things never repeat itself. Whether good or bad, no matter what it is, two heads is better than one. Be honest to your man, so that you people, both of you, will know how you people stand in relationship, in marriage. You understand? When one is deceiving one, it's not good. When one is tricking one, it's not good. Don't you ever think that one day, those things, if you reveal, what will you do? Some people, you're destroying their own relationship with their own ends. Even though if the man said no, he can't cope, and I wish he does not even hear it, it's better. Now he hear it, he will be using that eye to be looking at you. That man is not a truthful man, is not a sincere woman. Because what, for example, you don't tell him or her, what more will you do? The evil you did, things you do in past, you kept it inside. Believe me, one day you will try it with the man or the woman again. You repeat it again. you fail again in relationship in marriage, you repeat the wrong thing that you did in the past before. But when you bring it out, you say it out, you will see if that man love you, that woman love you, he will support you, he will try to put you through. You understand? So that is it. This Princess Opaname, greetings to you all.